Those who promote peace have joy. You will keep in perfect peace all who trust in you, all whose thoughts are fixed on you. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. Yahweh Shalom. The fruit of righteousness will be peace. Yahweh Shalom. Shalom. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. Give me breath for another day. Give me the word. Mercy and truth have met together. Righteousness and peace have kissed. Shalom, Yahweh. Yahweh, Shalom. Shalom, Yahweh. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. Yahweh, Shalom. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your thoughts in Christ Jesus. Yahweh Shalom. Shalom Yahweh. Yahweh Shalom. The Lord gives strength to his people. The Lord blesses his people with peace. Another day. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live in peace with everyone. Shalom, Yahweh. Yahweh, Shalom. Shalom, Yahweh. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. Let the peace of Christ rule in your hearts, since as members of one body you are called to peace. Shalom, Yahweh. Yahweh, Shalom. Pursue peace with all people and holiness, without which no one will see the Lord. Shalom, Yahweh. Give me breath for another day. Give me the word. May the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with all of you. Yahweh Shalom. Shalom Yahweh. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. In the light of my soul I am peaceful and whole. Yahweh Shalom. May the God of hope fill you with joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Yahweh Shalom. Shalom Yahweh. Yahweh Shalom. I will lay down and sleep in peace, for you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety.